Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. As you guys can already tell by the box here, I am going to be doing the unboxing for the Felicity Jane kit for the month of October. And yes, this is super late, you guys. I've been doing Halloween stuff like crazy and I'm not even done yet, and I haven't even gotten to anything really yet, but I'm excited to receive this kit. I've already kind of been scouting it out on Instagram because I do follow their brand. And what was I gonna say? Because I totally lost my train of thought. Oh, this is not Halloween, but it's autumn. And so me and the family went to a farm for like a pumpkin patch slash corn maze, and they had like so much fun activities, and I took a lot of pictures, so I am going to use this kit for that day. I did end up using some of those pictures for my October daily, but because my October daily is so small, you guys, look how chunky it's getting. See? Because it's so small, I did not end up using all the pictures. So I kind of took like small 2x2 pictures that are gonna kind of say, okay, this is what we did on that day. But I'm also going to be creating 12x12 a scrapbook layout, and maybe one or two pocket pages to go along with it, because I took a lot of pictures. It was so much fun. The kids had like a lot of fun, especially Adriana. She really loved like being out there, and honestly, even though she's like growing to be a little young lady, like she has her moments where she's such a kid still at times, and I love to see that about her. I'm gonna try to save these for a Christmas project idea that I have in mind, and instead of like buying more crinkly paper, I'm gonna recycle this and just use it for Happy Mail. So yeah, so it's kind of exciting to still see some of her little kid enjoyments, you know, the things that still make her happy and make her like silly, and just reminds me, I wish you could keep them young like a little kid forever. But like I said, this is the Taylor kit, and this is just the thank you card that comes with this month. I received the washi tape, which again is very autumn colors, you guys. So that's the washi tape. You do get a 4x6 stamp set, which just honestly has a bunch of borders. Love that heart one right there. So love that. Then you have some epoxy stickers. This is what it looks like. Then you have this little pocket with some flowers that I honestly don't know how I could use them. Maybe I could thread them and make like a little banner. I'm not exactly sure. So those are that. And then, oh, let me show you the journaling cards afterwards. These are alphabet stickers with golds, which honestly feels like it's perfect for Christmas as well. So just have that. And then you have one of these little essential label stickers. This is number 2. I think one of the earlier kids had one of these as well. The colors are slightly different. Of course, they're made to match the kit that it comes with. So honestly, out of everything that I've received from Felicity Jane, I think I still have everything that of these label stickers from the other kits. So I haven't used them at all. Either one, I need to figure out a way to use them, or I need to throw it in the giveaway box, because now I have 2 of these and I haven't even used the first one. So let me try to keep them intact in their packaging so that I could, if I do decide to give it away, then at least it'll be nice and packaged. Okay, so for the die cut shapes, I love the colors. Let me just kind of move everything out the way. So you have a bunch of little flags or little banners, then just some labels, this pretty tag, some autumn leaves, a coffee mug, more tag, that's like a frame or a tag. Look how pretty this one is. That, and then this is Taylor. And that's it, just a bunch of autumn flowers, you guys. I have to see how I can incorporate like pumpkin stuff into this kit so that I could use it, like I said, for those pictures that I mentioned. And then the journal cards. Love that. These, again, everything very color combinated, which is perfect because it makes the job easier for me. This one, the rainbow. How cute is that one? That, and that one. So those are all the journaling cards. And then let me show you the paper kit, the 12 by 12 paper. Now, I want to say they sent you the labels for October, November, and December. And the reason for that is because they do not have a kit for the month of December. They do have a kit, but it's not part of your subscription. You basically have to purchase it separately, which is kind of like a bummer, but I'm wondering if they're still going to charge you because it's a subscription for that month. I don't know. It's my first year that I'm going to have this subscription with them for these months, so I have to see how that works. I don't know that they'll do that for November though. Like, I'm wondering, why did they send us November as well? Does that mean that they're not gonna have to have it? I might have to do some research on that because I honestly don't know. This is, again, when did I get the subscription? I feel like I got the subscription earlier on this year, so this is the first time that I'm gonna be dealing with this. And if that's the case, I'll let you guys know whether they charged you for November and December and then you don't get no kits. That doesn't seem kind of fair. I don't know that they would do that, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. But this is the kit for October. And look at the pretty paper. So pretty. So let me kind of shush everything out the way. And let me show you the front and back. This is floral background. And then just basic black and white stripes on the back. Then you have a plaid background. And then floral. And it's black and white with the leaves being a little bit green. Small flowers on that. This one is Swiss dots in like an olive color. And then diamond shapes, black and white on the back. Then you have diagonal stripes in the pretty pink. And dotted stripes on the back, black and white. Then you just have dots in a mustard color. And then some lines. These always remind me like of those notebooks we used to have as a child with the dashes. Pretty. Then you have floral shadow background. And then Windham pattern on the back. And then you have your solid colors, you guys. Typical of these kids. I've said that before. You have this kind of like a brown, reddish brown. Okay, these are kind of, you see the difference? So one of them is like a brick color and the other one more like a brown. Then you have the olive green with that yellow mustard. And that is going to be it for the kit for this month, you guys. I'm excited to play with it. My only worry is that I do want to use it for those, for the pumpkin patch that we went to. I just don't know. I'm going to have to figure out how to implement more pumpkins, which is fine. I just, or more leaves. I don't know. I don't know if I'll have enough. And I feel like these backgrounds are basic backgrounds. It would have been nice to have like more autumn, you know, stamps to work with, but that's okay. We'll make it work. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by and visiting with me. And I hope to see you guys on the next video so you can see how I put those scrapbook pages and pockets together. Have a good day. Bye.